Hey gang, Kent back with you, Daddy Dutch Barbecue. Still a beautiful night here. It's the end of December in Iowa. It's about 45 degrees outside. We're gonna take advantage of this. You saw the opening shot, Jalapeño Popper Mac and Cheese. Whatever type of sausage you wanna use, go for it. Bacon, cream cheese. In this one, we're using queso cheese. You could use Velveeta also. We have the shredded mac and cheese for the top, the large shells, and of course the jalapenos. So we're gonna get our jalapenos diced up. We're gonna cook up the sausage and bacon on our Blackstone griddle. We're gonna start making the cheese sauce in the pan on the pellet cooker, but we'll give you a few shots of that along the way, so stay tuned. All right, what we're gonna do here, gang, is I got an 8-ounce block of cream cheese in there and about a half stick of butter. We're gonna get this out on the pellet cooker, get it warming a little bit. We're not so much smoking it, but we're gonna get it warmed up so we can start incorporating everything together. All right, now as you can tell, we have our bacon and our sausage on the Blackstone. That's 12 ounces of bacon. Just shy of 1 pound of sausage, and we did sprinkle just a little bit of smoke bomb on there. So we're going to brown this up, get it cooked up. A lot of the bacon will go inside. About 4 of those strips will be left to garnish the top. But let's go check on that pellet cooker. All right, yeah, it's a little bright out here by the light, but you can see we have our cream cheese and our butter set in the pellet smoker. We're going to give that a little light dusting of Uncle Steve Shake smoke bomb also. So we'll get you a picture of that and we'll bring it back. All right, a couple things here while we're watching our bacon and sausage cook. Guys, if you don't have a pellet cooker, you can do this on a kettle. You can do this inside. You can do it in cast iron. Do it however, it works for you. This is just kind of the basic of what I'm doing, just to give you an idea. So cook on what works for you and enjoy. All right, most bacon's done, sausage is about done. It doesn't have to be 100% cooked. It will continue cooking when we combine everything and put it back on the pellet grill. So let's go take a look and see how that cream cheese and butter's doing. All right, here we are. Excuse the shadow there. Yeah, we're starting to soften up a little bit. Tell you what, we're going to let this go until our noodles are done, and then we're going to come out and add our jar of queso to this. The noodles we're just cooking by the box directions, so use whatever noodle you want. I just have the large shells. So bring it back when we're getting ready to add our queso and the noodles are done. All right, so we got all our queso in there. It's a 23-ounce jar. This will be for a 1 pound box of pasta. So our noodles are about done. Let's go get those drained. We're going to get this brought inside, and we're going to start combining everything. Okay, there is our cheese sauce, our shells, our jalapenos. The bacon is hiding right under there. And our sausage. There's a little bit of our extra bacon to go on top. And we're going to be covering this with some of this mac and cheese blend. So let's get this stirred up, covered with cheese, wrapped in foil, back out on the pellet. There we go. 8 ounces of shredded mac and cheese, brand cheese, and the rest of our bacon, and another light sprinkle of that smoke bomb. Just give it a little extra color, not cover. We are going to cover this, put it in the pellet for about a half hour, We're going to peek under that foil a couple times, see how it's coming. As soon as we see some nice bubbling, we're going to remove the foil and get the top to the color we like. Then for the best part, kids, time to eat. Alright, hopefully you can hear me above the pellet cooker. 20 minutes, we got some bubbling happening. So we're going to pull the foil off, we're going to go let it go. We'll check back in another 10 minutes, and I'll let you know the total time it took. And there we have it, gang, the finished product. I'm going to go inside. We're going to get a plate. We're going to get a spoon. I will dish this up and show you a picture at the end. So 20 minutes wrapped in foil on the pellet, running 275. We pulled the foil off after we saw it start to bubble. And went another 20 minutes. Just get all the cheese nicely melted and incorporated. So let's get that spoon in that plate and we'll get you a picture of that. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you like this, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. YouTube really likes that sort of stuff. If you don't like it, please hit the thumbs down twice. So there you go. Jalapeño Popper Mac and Cheese. I used this in a competition last week. Scored 440 out of a total of 450 points. Won me first place and a little bit of cash. So can't complain about that. Big huge to this guy up here in the top left corner, Uncle Steve Shake. If you've watched my videos before, you know I'm a big proponent of Uncle Steve Shake. So y'all take care. We'll see you down the road. Be good. All right, there we are, all dished up. You can see the dices of jalapeno in there, the bacon, the sausage, all that cheese, and all that goodness.